Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of the brand new, just came out this week, the Amazon Fire HD8 here. This is the 32GB model. It of course has built-in Alexa. If you guys want to check out the Plus version unboxing and some videos on that, check out my channel. This one is the non-Plus version. So this one has 2GB of RAM, the Plus has 3. If you guys want to read any of this, go ahead and pause the video. So from what I can tell, this is basically the same as the Plus version, just with 2GB of RAM compared to 3GB that you get on the Plus version. And then you also get different colors. The Plus version only comes in slate. The one I have here is, of course, the non-Plus version. This one is the blue. Show that off better in a moment here. So there is the tablet itself. And then we got this little, the nice Amazon smiley face. Oh, and then you also do not get wireless charging with this model as well. So we get that out here. Alright, it's kind of stuck in there. Alright, so you get your awesome orange Fire welcome and setup guides here. We get, this should be USB Type-C. And it is, which is awesome. So Amazon says it will charge in about 4 hours or so using this adapter here. Interesting note real fast, it came with this little charger, or adapter. This is a 5-watt one, is in the US. The Plus version came with a 9-watt adapter. So that is actually interesting. So for that extra 20 bucks, you also get a better charger if you get the Plus version. This is the one you get with the non-Plus version. So that is interesting. I was not expecting that. Alright, let's take this bad boy out of here. So yeah, this is the blue, which is super nice. So it is it pretty much looks identical to the Plus version. So up top here, focus in here. So you have your volume rocker, you have your power button, mic, USB Type-C, and your headphone jack. Here you have your micro SD slot expansion. It now takes up to 1 terabyte, which is awesome. Nothing on the bottom. And the top has the stereo speakers, which are powered by Dolby. Then you do get the camera here, so they did change that. On the older generations, it was always up here. Now it's over here. It kind of messes me up now to know like when I'm using this, because this would be like the top. Now with the camera not being on top, I kind of get confused on, and sometimes I have it upside down. Since I've been using the Plus version for a couple days now. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. Sorry about the glare here. Let me see if I can get rid of that glare real fast. Alright, so let's set this baby up here. So we're going to do English, United States. That is where I am from. I'm actually going to increase the size of the text here. There we go. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to do it second to top there. Being a small device, it does give you pretty small text. So there we go. Alright, once you hook it up to your Wi-Fi, it only takes a few seconds. You put in your Amazon information here. Then it will register your new tablet to your Amazon account. Right after registering it, it'll ask you if you want to do any of this stuff. So I'm going to get rid of this. And let's see, I don't want anything to the Amazon cloud, but I will enable location services. Then it gives you this little video. We're just going to skip ahead here. Alright, then I'll ask you if you want to enable her. You will say yes. I do not have any kids, so I'm going to say no to kid friendly. Alright, then I'll ask you if you want to do if you want to do Audible. Skip that part from you guys seeing, because it gives you the credit card information and stuff already on there. So we'll ask you that. Then I'll ask you if you want to do a free trial of Kindle Unlimited. I'm going to say no. I actually got an email from them a few days ago asking if I wanted to do 2 months free. So Alright, they'll ask you about some books if you have Prime membership. Right now I do have Prime. That way I got free shipping on some stuff I was buying. I'll say no, not right now. They'll ask you about some apps. We're just going to say no again. Then it'll bring you to your home page here. And you see mine is at 70% charged at the moment. Some would guess is probably in the upper 60s when it actually ships to you. But mine's been plugged in for a few minutes here. And USB Type-C does charge pretty fast. And there you go. So I would highly recommend downloading the Google Play Store. If you guys want to know how to do it, go to my YouTube channel here. I do have a video on how to do it, and it will work on pretty much any Amazon Fire device, at least in the last 5 or 6 years or so. I work on any of them, and that was weird. Okay, so yeah, if you guys want to get the Google Play Store, I highly recommend it. I'm going to be downloading that for myself, and yeah, and I'm going to be downloading some some other apps and stuff, and I will be bringing out a comparison between this guy and the Plus. In probably a day or two here. So thank you guys very much for watching. Do stay tuned for more videos to come, and do check out my other videos on the Fire HD Plus. That also came out at the same time this one did. Thank you guys. We'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.